Hey everyone, Natalie here again from SERPWizz, and as promised, I'm back with another video or the continuation of the previous one that we have discussed, which is about the report builder. But before we go ahead and discuss all about that, I just want to show you this lead generation tool here in SERPWizz that we have, and it allows you to get white label audits for your website. So here you can actually browse all about that, and also a free guide showing you how SERPWizz is generating agencies and additional thousands of dollars per month on autopilot. So if you're interested in that, do type in your first name and email, and you'll be receiving an email from SERPWizz telling you how that's gonna work for you and what you need to do. So yep, going back to our main topic for today, which is still all about report builder. Here we're still in the report builder page, and if you're following this playlist, you would know that we have discussed, or we have done an insightful discussion about all of these templates and what they are and how they work. So today we're just gonna be going ahead and generating a report that we can use these templates on. So just click on generate a report, and then you will see that another page will pop out. You have here on the left side variables such as date range, type of files, template, search by name you can, and you have all of these variables that you can add into the report. Later on I'll show you how that works and how you can add them all. And also, so there's a lot that you can actually add. If you don't want to generate the report from scratch, that's where you can use the templates. So you won't have to manually drag and drop everything in and choose from this list, or do it all from scratch, as I have mentioned. So if you're going to be using the template will tell you how, or template will direct you on how it's going to look like. But if you want to do it from scratch, then definitely you can go ahead and do that by clicking on this and adding them onto the page. So just a quick overview first. You can see here you can put in titles, text, image, and page breaks. And for example, you want to add a cover page, you can do so by dragging that, and that will be the cover page. And then you can also put in table of content. So basically whatever you want to do, it's gonna be displayed on that specific report. If you want a project summary, you'll be getting that here. So whatever you want to put, just click on. You can either drag and drop it, or you can click on this green plus buttons beside the name of that specific metric or variable, and then you can see them all being displayed right here on the report. So if you want to save the report, go ahead and do that by clicking on this button right here. Actually, you can include image, titles, text, as I've mentioned earlier. But if ever you're done, so this is a quick look on what our generated report will look like. So just click on save report, and that will save, and here you have that specific report. And if you open that, it will go back to where you were editing it. So that's how it's gonna look like. Just click continue. But if ever you want to use a specific template, all you have to do is click on that specific template, edit the report title if you want, and then hit on create, and you will be presented with that specific template to use for your report. So that's how easy it is to use the report builder tool here in SE ranking. So if you want to utilize this, definitely go ahead and sign up for an account in SE ranking and see how this report builder tool can actually help you be more organized and consistent with the reports that you are getting for your website. So yes, before I end this video, I hope you can leave a comment or give us a like and subscribe, of course, to our channel so that you can be notified whenever we put out new content, which is going to be a lot as the days go by. But yeah, definitely check as well the tool that I have mentioned earlier about the lead generation tool that we have over at SERPWizz.com. So do check that out after this video. I want to thank you guys all for watching and see you guys again on the next one.